Hey guys, Susan Worthen with Coastal Communities Home Advisors, a team of Long and Foster. We're here today on tour in Salisbury, Maryland. We're on the south side today in a development. It's called Deer Harbor. We're over here on Devonshire Drive, and what I wanted to share with you about this one today is, on this beautiful fall day, this is a home for someone looking for this, for nature, so that there is, when you're just right here in the trees. The whole neighborhood is in the trees. There's not the street lights and electric lines are all in the ground here. This development is developed for you to enjoy nature. And one of the features of this home in particular is they did an addition, and there are full, not mirrors, but windows all around. And so that you're actually feeling like it brings the outside, this beautiful view here of the trees right into this living space. It's a flex room, and you can use it several different ways. But that certainly brings that to you. Also, if you just turn around here, this is a beautiful patio out here that you could have a fire pit. I could just see nice evenings, marshmallow toasting, sipping your wine. But you could also enjoy in that same spirit of enjoying being outside. There's a huge, it's massive. I've never seen a deck this big, massive deck, completely screened in so that you can enjoy the outdoors without skipping a beat. No bugs, no critters are gonna bother you while you're enjoying this. It's right off the kitchen, a gorgeous, beautiful kitchen inside, and it's right off that flex room. But take a look at this massive screened-in porch. This could be your home. This could be your dream home, where you'd love to, again, sit out here, enjoy nature. It's quiet. What a tranquil, serene environment that you could be in. There are skylights just to bring extra light into this space in the roof there. And you also have a ceiling fan here just for that circulation of air for comfort. What an incredible opportunity. We have this one, Long and Foster has the listing, and then we have this one this weekend. It's gonna be open for you guys to come take a look at. Kyle will have more information about that on our page. Check it out. We'd love to see you here this weekend for the open house. And if you're interested in this home or any other homes that we have to offer, just give me a phone call, a text message, email, shout out. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Bye for now.